Greetings, I am Anton Kharitonov, a trader and analyst with 26 years of experience. I specialize in the Forex market, oil futures, indices, applying short-term and long-term strategies, analyzing markets and sharing knowledge. My journey began in '96 with international training in Stockholm. In '99, I entered the world of Forex, and in 2002, I completed a course at the Kiev Business School. Since 18, I have been running Telegram channels with trading signals. From 23, I have been studying artificial intelligence in trading, and from 24, I have been a member of the National Union of Journalists of Ukraine. Since 2013, at Traders Union, I have been testing brokers, checking platform operations, transaction speed, fund withdrawals, and legal documentation. Based on this data, I prepare expert opinions for Forex on the stock market and cryptocurrency exchanges. I am convinced that new knowledge expands opportunities and provides a competitive advantage, and this allows us to make more informed decisions, act with confidence, and move forward. I really hope that I can provide you with a lot of new and useful information about financial markets. Follow my pages on social media and keep an eye on the publications on the website